They're on you right now, crawling, breathing, even farting. Gross? Maybe yes. But don't panic, I'm talking about bacteria. Now, quick question. When you hear the word bacteria, do you instantly think bad? Well, here's the twist. Most of the bacteria in your body are actually good for you. And without them, you couldn't even survive.
What did you say?
You carry around more than 100 trillion good bacteria in your body. Over 1,000 species, thousands of strains. To understand this better, let me give you a picture. Ever seen a rhino with a little bird on its back? That's an oxpecker bird, eating ticks off the rhino. The bird gets food, the rhino gets pest control. It's a win-win for both. That's exactly what's happening inside you. This relationship is called mutualism. You benefit, and the bacteria benefit. So what are these little helpers really doing inside you? Let's zoom into the gut. You've heard the term probiotic, right? It's now $1 billion industry. But what does it actually mean? Probiotics are simply live microorganisms, bacteria or yeast, that give you a health benefit when consumed. Most of them end up in your colon, the last part of your gut. And here's where things get fascinating. Inside your gut lives an entire ecosystem called the microbiome. It's made up of bacteria, fungi, and more, working together to keep you alive. Think about it. Your digestive system alone can't pull all the nutrients from food. Without these tiny teammates, you'd be missing key vitamins, minerals, even immune protection. Why gut bacteria matter? 1. These good bacteria help extract nutrients your gut can't get on its own. 2. Strengthen your intestinal walls. 3. Support your immune system. Researches in just the last 20 years has shown strong links between microbiome health and conditions like diabetes, obesity, heart disease, even mental health issues like depression and anxiety. Imagine this. The bacteria in your gut could actually be influencing your mood, appetite, and emotions. That's the gut-mind connection. Wild, right? After hearing all this, you probably want to protect your microbiome, isn't it? Here's how you can do so. Feed your gut right. Eat fiber-rich foods like vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. These act as prebiotics, food for the probiotics. Add probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kimchi, or sauerkraut. But beware, some habits can destroy your gut health. Diets high in sugar, white bread, and processed carbs. Poor sleep. Yes, even your gut bacteria have a circadian rhythm. Overuse of antibiotics. They kill off good bacteria. Chronic stress. It disrupts the balance of your microbiome. Do you notice one of these bad habits in your own life? Drop it in the comments. No judgment, just awareness. Now let's talk about supplements. A multi-billion-dollar industry built on one word: probiotics. Here's the reality. Your gut has up to 9,000 strains of good bacteria. A supplement usually gives you just a few strains. Depending on your condition, the impact can vary widely. For most healthy people, there's no solid proof that daily probiotics are necessary. In fact, some studies suggest they might even harm your microbiome if taken unnecessarily. So should you skip probiotics completely? Not quite. When can probiotics actually help? Research shows probiotics can be beneficial in specific cases: traveler's diarrhea, antibiotic-associated diarrhea, inflammatory bowel disease, like ulcerative colitis, certain rare conditions in children. But remember, always consult your doctor first before starting probiotics. And if you do buy them, check for expiration date and storage instructions. At least 5 billion colony-forming units, CFUs, should be enteric-coated capsules, so they survive stomach acid. We're still just scratching the surface of what the microbiome can teach us. The idea that we could one day use bacteria as medicine to manage mood, prevent disease, or even improve performance is both exciting and mind-blowing. So tell me, if bacteria could boost just one part of your health, what would you want it to be? Energy? Mood? Digestion? Let me know in the comments. Here's the takeaway. Good bacteria aren't your enemies, they're your teammates. You can nurture them with good food, good sleep, and less stress. Probiotic supplements are helpful for some, but not everyone. If this video helped you see bacteria in a new light, share it with a friend. Let's spread knowledge instead of myths. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy. Your trillions of tiny partners are rooting for you.